Yeah, actually, she's always pretty late. Are we on air or? I don't know. It's like 1 minute we're going really well. Next minute, I really can't stand being around her. Not long now before we go on, and
the dog piece is about absurdity in lots of ways, about human desire and love. It's also so much about a kind of domination and submission that kind of works for both parties. We managed to actually pull off what was quite a strangely surreal performance, where I'm basically vocalising a kind of a strange tortured love, and she's really responding with this kind of guilt, anxiety, it's almost masochistic desire for connection, but it's an impossible connection. I mean, I really think that this work is about me being the submissive little dog. I just knew there was going to be a crisis there and then. I mean, you're being a brown dog, you're not being a dickhead. I don't think you can envisage yourself as successful. How do you get out and perform like you do perform and expect still to be this unknown thing, this thing that has no protocol? I think there's definitely the power thing, but I'm not sure whether you're deluded. How's it going to happen? Well, I'm trying.